Alright, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to part 3 of the build on the Mustang. But yeah, we mentioned we had the sound system. That's going to be this video. So here it is. I'm just going to go ahead and pass it on to Mikhail because he is more mechanically inclined with the whole wiring. And but look, this is something cheap. Mustang on a budget. But hey, music is music.
Yeah.
Obviously, if it was my car to keep forever, I'd put like a touchscreen, double din, whatever.
Yeah, something that's like 500 bucks.
Yeah.
Right,
but we'll see what we can get for what. How much did we spend? $100?
Yeah, it was $100.
Yeah, roughly $100 with speakers and the head unit.
The little mic when you want to call someone.
The mic, there we go. We have a mic. So this is what we were talking about. That doesn't work too well.
Yeah.
I mean, you'll see. We'll turn it on, but it looks pretty bad. Oh, we gotta hook up the battery.
Yeah, but we're not gonna do that right now.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So
yeah,
I mean, basically, when you would like press a button, it would turn off, and then it would turn back on.
Yeah.
So that's why we're gonna go ahead and just put a new one.
So we're gonna go ahead and hook, or he's gonna go ahead and hook it all up, and then I'll go ahead and install the battery and see if we did a good job. See if it's actually gonna turn on.
All right, there it is. Looks pretty.
I got it out of the box. Hold on, let me focus. So, oh, there it is. Focus.
Nice.
Nice, nice.
So we're gonna take the old one out.
It's been there for what, since 1967?
Nah. Didn't have these back then. There you go.
This is what, like 2000?
Oh, it's already disconnected. That's right. We had it disconnected already. So yeah.
Nice. Hey, we're like, that's why it wasn't working. It wasn't plugged in.
Imagine, and we just bought a new. All right. So this is the harness for the Kenwood, which is not the same thing as the one for Pioneer. So sadly, we couldn't find a Kenwood one where we can just plug it in and that's it. So we're gonna have to go ahead and cut all these out and then plug these on there. So we'll do maybe like 2 colors at a time or 1 color at a time. That way we can like know where it's going. Cause see, like the back here is not really color coded. You see that? It's all like,
oh shoot.
Yeah, so you wanna just plug it into where it's at. Good thing is that it tells you front left, which we don't even have a front left. We have a rear left, and then front right. Yeah. So I mean, it's kind of yeah. And then these run to the back. Yeah, it's easy. It's pretty easy. So we'll get to it.
All right. He says it's easy, but all I see is a big mess.
All right, so we're just gonna kind of strip all of these, kind of beforehand, just to have them ready, just to put the butt connector. Alright, so we installed all the little butt connectors on this end. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to go 1 color at a time. You know, take it off from here. And then install this one to whatever wire that's installed to. Because this is already hooked on pretty well. So all we have to do is just, you know, go color by color. It's pretty simple stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then I'll show you after.
Okay, so here are the speakers that we bought. Yeah, whatever, Pioneer.
Yeah.
We can put them in here, to be honest. But while he's working working in the front on the head unit, I'm gonna go ahead and run some more of the speaker wire, and just have it all ready. Have the butt connectors and the little the speaker connectors.
All right, what's going on, you guys? So yesterday it got kind of late, so we couldn't finish setting up the speakers, but we did do all the wiring. Everything's ready to go. The speakers are in there. You probably can't see, but we have to find a way to like mount them down like kind of firm. But for right now, I cleaned out the trunk. I scraped off some it was like Bondo that was like on here. So we are gonna paint it with this, what's it called? It's called Rust Barrier. So I think it's like a matte black, and it's like that kind of like rubberized, so it's okay for the trunk. So we're gonna do that right now. Alright, so I finished the first coat, and yeah, it came out okay. We still have to do the next coat. I went ahead and bought some shiny paint instead of the flat black, just because it looks, I don't like how it looks, all flat. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the shiny one now. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and make a little frame to be able to hold that down with some plywood. Alright, so this is the shape we're kind of going for, and as you can tell, it's alright. We're almost there. Be patient. Alright, so we finished this one. Well, kinda. It came out okay. Not perfect, but this will do. It's gonna go in here, so we're just gonna go ahead and drill it in there now. Alright, so there you go. A little something just to hold the speakers. It works pretty well. Now all we gotta do is go from underneath and connect the wires. Alright, there it is. We got it right through here with some tape. Yeah, it's looking cleaner. Alright, so the head unit is all installed. Everything's wired. As you can see, it's on. And then I paired it to my phone, which is going to test the speakers. There you go. Nice. Some bass. Honestly, it doesn't sound that bad. Alright, so in this part we painted the trunk, we installed the speakers. So for the next episode we're going to try to fix the chrome, all the rust on the chrome. We're going to try to restore that. We're going to go ahead and try to paint the exhaust manifold like a high heat dark gray or a light gray. We're going to try to remove it. I already added some WD-40, but if it doesn't come off easily, we're just going to try to paint it on there. And then we're going to just start cleaning everything around there and installing all the little parts, all the new hoses we got. But yeah, and then a new fuel filter we have. So yeah. Alright, so stick around for the next video, for the next part, which is going to be part 4. If you're liking the series so far, go ahead and just subscribe, like the video, comment, and we'll see you next time.